Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurulaliah binti Muhammad Yahya. Me and my group member wants to present group project for subject project management OPM655. For the first thing, I would like to start with introduction. Malaysia face environment challenge like deforestation and climate change. The tree planting program aims to restore ecosystem, combat climate change and improve air quality by planting native trees across the country. Through collaboration with government bodies, non-profit and local communities, the program helps protect wildlife habits, improve soil health and raise awareness about the importance of trees. Together, we can create a greener, healthier nation for future generations. Join us and be part of the change.
So, I will continue with organizer. The Tree Planting Program is a collaborative effort to create a greener, more sustainable Malaysia. It includes government agencies providing essential resources, policies and support for reforestation. Second is non-profit organisation leading events and raising awareness about environment. Is local community active participant in tree planting to promote environmental responsibility. And lastly is business partner offering funding, resources and volunteer to amplify the program impact. The target group in the program is government agency. They provide support through policies, resources and environment initiative. Next is non-profit organization. This group offer expertise and organize awareness campaign and event. Third is local community. Residents are encouraged to participate in tree planting activities and promote environmental responsibility. And lastly is business partner. This company contribute funding, resources, and volunteer to help expand the program.
The program theme, Green Illustration Let's Plant Together for a Greener Earth, will take place on 17 January 2025 from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. in various locations across urban areas in Kuala Lumpur, including community gardens, neighborhood, protected areas, national parks such as Taman Negara, schools and educational institutions with volunteers from the Global Environment Centre GEC, Free Malaysia and students from school or university. The tree species to be planted including Meranti, which are tall, shade-providing trees found in tropical rainforests. It helps sequester carbon and supporting bird and insect life. Next is mahogany, fast-growing, broad canopied trees with a reddish-brown wood which provide erosion control and habitats for wildlife. Third tree species that will be planted is ketapang, a coastal tree with a wide spreading canopy which stabilizes coastal soil and feeds local bird species, as well as banyan tree, a large tree with aerial roots symbolizing strength. This tree provides a shelter and food for birds, bats, and insects. Next is gama, a fast-growing tree with yellow flowers, adaptable to various soils, improving soil quality and boosting local biodiversity. Cempaka, a tropical tree with a fragrant yellow flowers that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, supporting ecosystem. And jati, a tall water-resistant tree known for its durable timber acting as a carbon sink and providing wildlife habitat. Now I will like to talk about the tentative for this event. Okay, for the first one is the event will begin with registration and a welcome session from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. where the participants will check in, receive event materials such as a program schedule, t-shirt, gloves, and saplings. From 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m., the opening ceremony will feature a welcome speech by the organizer, the Global Environment Center (GEC), followed by a briefing on the importance of tree planting and the day goals. This will be followed by environmental awareness workshop from 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m., where participants will learn about the significance of native trees, their role in the ecosystem, and their impact on climate change and biodiversity. A tree planting demonstration will then take place from 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., during which a local expert will demonstrate the correct techniques for planting trees, including soil preparation and care. From 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m., volunteers will split into groups for the first tree planting session, where they will plant native trees under expert supervision. After a lunch break and networking session from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., the second tree planting session will begin from 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m., continuing in different areas involving local schools or community groups where is possible. The day will end with a closing ceremony and a group photo from 2:30 p.m. to 3 p.m., followed by a thank you speech, acknowledgement of key sponsors and volunteers, and a group photo to commemorate the day's effort. Finally, from 3 p.m., participants will be provided with information on future events and have the opportunity to leave or continue networking.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Izzati binti Ahmad Zuhari. Firstly, I will explain about budget. The total of our budget is RM24,000 divided with 5 categories. First is budget for procurement and planting, which is our main product, is native tree saplings. Other than that, the budget to buy tools and protection for gardening. Second is budget for support and outreach, such as our volunteer t-shirt, lunch and refreshment, marketing and workshop training. It is the budget around RM5,500. Next is for logistics and operations related with transportation and signage safety to make sure all aspects safe, so the event will run smooth and follow the plan. Next budget is support and consultancy, took around RM4,500, and last but not least is miscellaneous expenses for unforeseen costs. Next is funding plan for our event. Green illustration, let's plant together for a greener earth. Our main funding from government, then corporate sponsorship and NGO. Other than that, we take initiative for donation from crowd to raise our fund. Lastly is in-kind contribution from our volunteer and materials. Total for our funding is RM24,000.
The equipment used during this program is as follows: planting tools like shovels, racks and watering cans. Number 2, we use protection material is tree guard stake and ties to support young trees. Number 3, we using soil and fertilizer like compost, mulch and basic soil testing kits to improve soil quality. Apart from that, we also use internet facilities such as TeamleaderNurulAliahAqilah translation, and for easy communication, we also use smartphone and radio for coordination during the event. For facilities, we use planting location, urban areas like community gardens, park, school and national park for reforestation. Second, workshop, community halls or school for education session before and after planting. Third, rest areas, tents of shelter for volunteers to take breaks, along with seating arrangement and water station. And last one, sanitation, portable toilets and water sources at planting site for convenience. For conclusion, the tree planting program addresses deforestation and climate change by planting native trees to restore ecosystem and protect nature biodiversity. These trees improve air quality, prevent erosion, and conserve water. They are essential for a sustainable future. With the help of government, NGOs, business, and local communities, we raise awareness and fostering environment responsibility. Together, we can create a greener, healthier nation for future generations.
My name is Nur Fazila binti Jaafar. My student ID is 2022156805. Today I will present about the work breakdown structure for our tree planting program. This structure is designed to ensure that all the aspects of the program are well planned and executed efficiently. It is divided into the 5 main components: administrations, obtain equipment, facility, transportation, and event signage and safety. Let me walk you through each for each sections. Administrations. This section is led by Najwa and focus on the backbone of the program. Budgeting is managed by Alia, ensure we stay within our financial budget. Planning is overseen by me to ensure every step is well coordinating and aligns with our goal. Izati is in charge of the component which involve gathering all necessary tools and materials. Hand tools divided into the soft and thrower prepared by Shuhaida. Racks and pruning shells is handled by Najwa. Watering equipment is coordinated by Izati. Tree sapling and mulch is managed by Shuhaida. Protective gear looked after by Alia to ensure everyone is safety. Marketing materials such as a banner and poster arranged by me. For the facility department, is overseen by me too. For these sessions, which include the site preparations such as the planning location determined by Izati, safety breathing area is prepared by Najwa, rest area is including tents and the branch set up by Shuhada and Alia. For refreshment is managed by me to keep everyone energized. Waste disposal is organized by Najwa to maintain the cleanliness and during these events. For the transportations is coordinated by Alia to ensure the smooth movement of the people and the material of the program. Lastly, we have the event signage and safety which are critical to the program success. Event signage is designed and arranged by the Izati to guide the participants to effectively. First aid kits is prepared by Suhaida to handle any emergencies. In summary, each team member has been assigned a specific task to ensure that no detail is overlooked. This work breakdown structure helps us to stay organized, efficient, and ready to deliver a successful event. With everyone together, I'm confident this program will be great success. This metric is a crucial tool for the organizing the program effectively. It ensures that everyone knows their roles and the responsibility. Communication is clear, preventing overlap or gap in tasks. The project runs smoothly with all stakeholders involved appropriately. With the structure approved, the team can work collaboratively to achieve the program's objectives successfully. Thank you.
This is our Gantt chart for 3 months planning. We start planning the event on 16 October 2024 and ended on 17 January 2025, which is the day of our event. In October 2024, we start with planning stage such as survey event location, identifying volunteers, securing funding, and finalize the program of the event. Followed by November and December, after we finalize the volunteer, then we start order t-shirt, food and beverage, preparing event day plan, and planning transportation movement. In review stage, the person in charge makes sure to finalize the event details, check safety area and location for planting. Lastly is execution stage, which is on 17 January 2025 is the day of our event, which is green illustration. Let's plant together for a greener earth. Thank you.